Now let's try out some mock exams. As you go through the certification study guide, you'll find few mocks there. Now these mocks, in my experience, closely resemble the real exam. Let's try out this one for example. Question number 5, domain number 3. What is the question? Let's understand the question first. If we understand the question, the answer should be very easy for us. A planned renovation. So there is a renovation going on, and it's a planned renovation. Here's the area. So we got the area 2,410 square feet. It is a retail space with a 40 occupant capacity. So the total number of people is 40, 40. Is located on the second floor, doesn't matter, second floor, third floor, at a 5-story building. So these information are not relevant. Calculate the approximate minimum outdoor air requirement. So we need to calculate the minimum outdoor air requirement, the fresh air that we need to calculate. Now, this is from ASHRAE 62.1. There's few more information here. People outdoor air rate is 7.5 CFM per person. We need it. And area outdoor air rate is 0.18 CFM per person. Now, this is very, very simple and straightforward question from ASHRAE 62.1. You are expected to get a few questions like this from at a real exam. So now we got the occupant number 40. We have to multiply with CFM per person 7.5. Addition with 0.18 CFM per square feet, multiply with the area 2410. 2410. Now try out your calculator. 40. Let me bring out my calculator first. 40 multiply with 7.5 is 300 plus 0.18 multiply with 2410. So it is 433.8. 433.8. So the result is 733.8 or around 744. The right answer is C, 744. Let's check out. Now, it should be at page number 79. Yeah, domain number 3, question number 3, the answer is C. So you must try out all the questions that are freely available at exam preparation handbook and let me know how you are performing.